What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today we're gonna veganize Chick-Fil-A. Alright guys, so as you can see, you got your lemon juice, your brown sugar, garlic, paprika, your mustard, and your vegan mayonnaise, guys. Always make sure you check the nutritional facts on the back of every single thing that you buy, guys. Alright guys, so now let's make our Chick-fil-A sauce, because what's a sandwich without its sauce? So I'm gonna just add in the mayonnaise and the mustard first. Keep mixing it until they all blend together, guys. Alright guys, so now let's add the brown sugar, paprika, and the garlic. Again, this recipe, guys, will be in the description below. So now we're gonna add some of this lemon juice, guys, and just whisk. Alright guys, so after we finish mixing our sauce for our Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich, we're gonna just put it away. Alright guys, so now we could start getting our mock meat together, and today we are using cauliflower, guys. I took some dill pickles and I blended them and just set them in the bowl. Put some saran wrap for an hour or two, guys, and it's very good to do because remember, we are what? Veganizing the Chick-fil-A sandwich. All right, what it looks like, guys. All right, here is, we have the buttermilk, 2 caps or 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, guys, and some hot sauce if you could take the heat. This recipe has a little bit of heat, guys. Like, it has the cayenne pepper. I don't know, I don't like heat, so y'all gonna see me sweat today. All right guys, so mix in our flour, guys. This recipe is in the description below. Let's make our Chick-fil-A chicken, guys. All right, so I'm gonna go into this brine right here. Looks like chicken, right? And it's just cauliflower. All right, so we're gonna grab the first one and just put it in there, guys. All right guys, so now we could start to take out our cauliflower fried chicken, guys. Look at this, it's so beautiful, guys. I can't wait to try it. Guys, it's finally ready. Alright guys, now let's plate our beautiful Chick-fil-A vegan Chick-fil-A sandwich. Tell me this doesn't look like a Chick-fil-A sandwich, guys, but veganized. No cruelty, no animals hurt, guys. Look how beautiful that is. I can't wait to bite it, guys. Alright, so the recipe is in the description below. Don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe, guys. Now let's taste it. So all of this was from scratch, guys. It's in the description below. Let's see what this tastes like, guys. Oh yeah, let's give it a bite. Oh man, this makes me want to dance. Guys, don't forget, hit that like button, smash on that bell, subscribe. And hello to all my new subscribers. Peace. Peace.